Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Gaganayan from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Department of CSE Data Science. Today I will discuss the subject is mathematics. In mathematics I will discuss about the topic is principle of experimentation in design. Let me discuss about the introduction to principle of experimentation in design. Experimentation is an essential aspect of a design to explore a new possibilities and refine ideas. It helps designer understand user needs and performance leading to better solution. Principles of experimentation guide a designer in conducting effective and meaningful experiments. Let me discuss about the principle 1. Define clear object. In define clear object, we will learn about the clear define the objects of the experiment to ensure a focused and purpose purposeful approach. Identify the specific questions or a problems you aim to address through the experiment. Having clear objectives helps in measuring a success and guiding a decision making. Next, we will move to principle 2. Start with a hypothesis. Hypothesis. Develop a hypothesis that predict the outcomes or a solution you expect to find. A hypothesis helps in forming the experiment, setting the directions, and providing a basis for the comparison. It also allows for a more targeted experimentation and encourage the critical thinking. Next, we will move to principle 3. Plan and design the experiment. How to plan and how to design the experiments we will discuss. Plan the experiment carefully, considering the factors such as a simple size, duration, and variables, time consuming, time required. Design the experiment to eliminate basis and control the external influence that could affect the results. Ensure the experiment is feasible, ethical, and elegant with the objectives and hypotheses. Next, we will move to principle 4. Collect and analyze the data. First, we will collect the data and analyze the data. How to collect the data? Let will discuss. Collect the data systematically and consistently to ensure reasonability and accuracy. Use priorities, tools, and methods to gather the data. Means to collect the data we can use the priorities, tools, and some methods such as a surveys, interviews, or user testing. Analyze the collected data using the statistical techniques or a qualitative analysis to derive the meaningful insights. Next, we will move to principle 5. Iterate and refine. How to iterate and how to refine the data. Use the experiment results to iterate and refine the design or a solution. Incorporate the learning from the experiment into the next iterations or a design phase. Continuous iterations based on experiment outcomes enhance the quality and effectiveness of the final design. Next, we see the principle 6. Document and share. Document the experiment process, including the objectives, methods, result, and conclusion. Maintain a record of the experiment to enable the reproducibility and future reference. Share the insight and finding from the experiment with relevant stakeholders to promote this collaboration and learning. Next, we'll see the principle 7. Embrace failure and learning. Embrace and learning from failures. encountered during the experimentation. Failure provides the valuable insight and helps refine the design approach. Cultivate a culture that encourages the taking a risk and learning from the unsuccessful experiments. Next, we see the Principle 8, be ethical and respectful. Ensure the ethical consideration are taken into account when conducting experiments. Respect participants' right, privacy, and confidentiality. Obtain informed consent and provide the transparency throughout the experiment process. We will come to conclusion. Benefits of experimentation in design. In this experiment, we will learn about the experimentation in design leads to innovative and user-centered solutions. It helps identify and addresses the design flaws or usability issues earlier in the processes. By following the principles of experimentation, designers can enhance their decision making and create a better experience for us. Note, uh, small note is there. We can see this is a sample slide presentation with the requested content, and feel free to modify or expand the information to suit your specific needs. This is about the conclusion of benefits of experimentation in the design. Thank you.